Wi-Fi Troubleshooting 101. Here's how to reset the router. Router issues are among the most common issues of internet outages. However, they're normally some of the simplest to resolve. Rebooting the Wi-Fi router is as easy as to unplug it. The users have to wait about 30 seconds and plug it back in. If it doesn't work, resetting the router to factory settings could be required. Hard reboot of the router. It's awesome how that'll fix like 90% of the problems because the drivers are the interface between the radio and the operating system. They can get confused. Dave Coleman, a Wi-Fi expert, author, and director of product marketing for Extreme Networks, stated. He further said, "I know it sounds simple, but it's the first troubleshooting thing people should do. First, unplug your router from the power source. You can unplug the power cord from the wall or the router. Now wait at least 30 seconds. And now plug it back in. As the router's plugged back into the power source, you might be required to wait another 30 seconds for it to reboot. Once all the lights are on, try connecting to Wi-Fi from a device. Reset the router to factory settings. You need to take the step if you need to reboot your router multiple times a day, or if your Wi-Fi speeds are drastically slower than the speeds you're getting through a wired connection. First, keep the router plugged into the power source. Now add a paper clip into the reset opening on your router. Some routers have a button you can press with your finger. Now hold this button down for about 30 seconds. Wait for the router's lights to come back on. This could take a minute or two. Moreover, you can reset most routers using their app or website. To do it, you'll be required your login credentials. How to tell if it's a modem or router issue. If you have a separate modem and router, you may need to troubleshoot each of them on their own. To find out if your modem is up and running, connect a device to the modem directly using an Ethernet cable. If you can get online this way, the issue is coming from your router. If it's still not working, you should start with a hard reboot of both devices. Here's what you'll do. Initially, unplug your router and modem from the power source. Now, wait about 30 seconds and plug them back in. First the modem, then the router. Wait a few minutes for them to completely power back on. This restart should resolve the majority of issues with your modem and router, and your internet should be back up. It might be time to update your router. The best method to inform where the fault lies, you have to run some speed tests while plugged into the modem with an Ethernet cable and relate the issues to the speeds you've received through Wi-Fi.